Hi friends, are you still using your laptop's 14 or 16-inch screen for working? This video can be a game changer. This video explains how to connect dual monitor to a simple laptop as mine. I hope you will like this video. I feel connecting dual monitor to a laptop can significantly enhance your productivity. For this, make sure your laptop has a C port available. I have a Lenovo ThinkPad and has two C port and a HDMI port. I use one C port for connecting with the power supply and other one for extending my monitor. I have got two monitors here with different sizes, different resolutions and even different makes. One is Dell, another one is Lenovo. Both the monitors have a HDMI port and this is very necessary for this exercise. I bought an USB hub from a local store here which cost around $3. It's NeTAC adapters. The brand name is NeTAC and we also have a lot of the brands of such USB hubs in the market. Make sure to get one which has got a C input and a HDMI output. This hub has 3 USB ports with different speeds mentioned on it and a HDMI port. I will be using a Bluetooth mouse and a keyboard for easiness, and the USB dongle or the Bluetooth keyboard dongle will be connected to one of this port. We have connected the USB-C and HDMI cable as seen. Also, the Bluetooth keyboard's USB dongle is connected here. Once we connect it to the monitor, you can see the mouse pointer is seamlessly running between the screens. Make sure the extended monitor screen is selected. Yes, we are all set now. You can see the two applications running in both screens. On the screen to my right, I'm playing a YouTube video, and the screen to my left, there is a Word file open. You can adjust where to place the screens depending upon your workspace. So with the display setting open, we can identify the displays. I have kept the monitor to the left as 2 and right as screen 1. We can do the alignment as we wish, just a simple click and drag. The mouse pointer will move through the assigned path. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks and stay healthy.